This is the new Trail 3 thermal rifle scope. From Pulsar, let's unbox it to show you what it comes with. Because it includes everything you need. Show you every angle, explain every button press, demonstrate its key features, and conclude with a technical spec of this XQ50 model. First off, its compact size won't have escaped you, under 270mm. Behind the lens cap, the Trail 3 has a 50mm f1 lens, and yep, that's a new low-profile laser rangefinder. Focusing with a clever throw lever delivers precision from both sides. The power button, about 4.5 seconds and it's on. That's impressive. And so are the controls. They're positioned near the eye for accessing menus, jump zoom, and a handy skip back button. Loads of video recording options. This zooms and operates the menus. Change color palettes and sensor amplification. And operate the 1200-meter laser rangefinder. Diopter adjustment from -5 to +5D, and this 50mm of eye relief. The eye shield is easy to remove, which I can show you at the end. Even a proximity sensor if you want to automate standby mode. Great for power saving, as are the tilt and timing auto shutdown options. And keep watching because there's more to come of what the new menu can do at the end of the video. And in the meantime, here's what's in the box. A weaver mount, but we'll cover that in a separate video as this is a pre-production sample. A Pulsar lens cloth, thermal zeroing targets, 2 of them. A 3-year warranty with our UK 10-day service commitment for UK customers. How to connect your Trail 3 to your phone. A quick start guide to get you up and running. A USB-C cable for fast charging and data transfers, along with a fast charging plug. The IPS7i batteries you get with the Trail 3 are pretty special. Each will last for up to 11 hours, and they're simple to install. When it's new, remove the battery cover, align the ridge inside the battery, and pop down the clips. One thing these batteries can do, in common with a Pulsar Telos, is wireless charging. As simple as that if you have a wireless charger. Or you can charge them here with a USB-C cable and charging plug, handy when your rifle's stored away. Slot the battery in and lock it in place to achieve a submersible IP67 watertight seal. You can also use this port to charge directly to the device, update the firmware and access up to 64GB of videos. As promised, that's it without the eye shield. Now, the technical spec for the Trail 3 XQ50 with another look through the lens. It comes with a 384x288 17 micron sensor, has a low sub 15 millikelvin NETD, with larger pixels that really help in damp conditions. It has a 7.5 degree field of view, and base mag is 3.5 times. But watch this, you can digitally zoom incrementally or in steps up to 14 times. In full screen, or the usual picture-in-picture mode, but Pulsar are also the first to give you eagle eye. That's awesome. We will be out testing this as well as the top-of-the-range XR50 model soon, so subscribe and you won't miss that. In the meantime, this is the Pulsar Trail 3 XQ50, and I'm David Thomas Jacks. Thanks for watching.